Good job. You did it. You come here. Come see Mommy. Come on, you can do it. Yeah. Uh-oh. Now you're going to pull all those down, huh? Alexander, come see Mommy. Come here, baby love. Oh. You want to stand up again? Come see Mommy, Alexander. Alexander. Well, let me see. Bring it here. Let me see. You want Mommy to open those for you? Come on. Come on. Come on. Good job, baby. Yay! You did it. You did it. Yay! You did it. Give Mama a kiss. Can Mommy have kisses? Oh, can Mama have kisses? Oops. Mommy have kisses? Mwah. Can I have a kiss? Give me a kiss. Mwah. Oh, so sweet. Oh, so sweet. Say we love you. Bye-bye.